distribution JL Baril started back in 1986. It's my parents that started the company. Originally, my mother was working for her dad in a hardware store, retail store, and they had building material, but they also had a plumbing section. And my mother was offering the different product that they had to some of her customers, and she realized that there were not that many. And she felt that the consumers were asking for more and more higher end and good looking product. So that's how she actually decided to start a company. So they did the process of finding money, partners and all of it. They had in themselves the desire to bring something beautiful to the market, but also they were listening to the market. They saw an opportunity there of more higher end product and everything, and they choose right for the market. On est parti importateur, assembleur, concepteur à vraiment manufacturier. Fait que ça à travers les 30 dernières années. Mais ça fait, là, je dirais, une quinzaine d'années que BARIL, son objectif, c'est vraiment de standardiser nos pièces, d'avoir des produits uniques à nous aussi. C'est ce qui fait une différence, que ce soit en design, mais que ce soit aussi en technique, le côté technique. Puis une des choses qu'on retient, en fait, je pense, historiquement de BARIL, et de la base de l'entreprise, c'est le désir du beau, puis le désir de la qualité, puis du haut de gamme. Fait que c'est ça qui a passé à travers les années de l'entreprise, puis qui fait qu'on est encore, je pense, vivant et présent aujourd'hui. So the vision of BARIL is to be the most referred brand of water accessories design in the world. And with BARIL, that's where we are. We want to manufacture very quality product, high-end, unique, bring something different in the market. So we are in the process of growing and expanding still in the North American market, but developing really strong partnership with our customers. One of the things actually that is very important in the BARIL development was the relationship that we have with many of our suppliers, business partners, customers. We're really into the long-term relationship. So we want to build something important and great with them. So we grow together and we bring a beautiful product into people's homes.
In product development, my role is to help the designer finding the best way to complete the faucet. So I need all the knowledge and all the expertise from the supplier, vendors, and our expertise to develop and find the best components to make sure the ideas of the designers can be created. So we have the faucet that meets the customer's requirement. We are a small team in R&D, and we have different expertise from within all the people around. We can choose easily and rapidly a new project. We can complete a faucet way quicker than anybody else because we are flexible, adaptable, and experienced. So we know how to develop a new faucet that can meet the customer requirement.
We look at market. What are people liking nowadays? What are the tendencies aesthetically, form, colors, shapes? And we look at retailers. What's missing in the marketplace? Is there any little niches that we could make a faucet that'll fit? Some area that's missing.
My role is to work with the team inside here and decide which direction we're going to go for the innovation. Our thinking is based on solid approach and solid informations. Doing a good design is something, but doing a functional design, doing a relevant design is something really different because we have to go through the process, but we also have to know exactly what's going to be the environment, what's going to be used.
So the future of BARIL is actually to be the most referred brand in water accessories in the world. BARIL's vision is to continuously innovate through timeless design with product of good quality, high-end and unique well-being to our customers.